Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. When it comes to picking a case for your phone, there are always a lot of options. Some companies happen to have a more premium feel that's matching Apple's products or even better than Apple's products. So this is Apple's case for the 14 Pro Max. This is their official leather case and it's aging fairly well. It's been on there since new. It's been on there for months and it's still aging fairly well. But in this box, I have from Andar, this is the ASPEN, and this phone case is nice. Now, I appreciate them sending this out for review, sending this over to me to check it out for the 14 Pro Max. If you have a 14 Pro Max, I'll leave a link for you. You can grab this. This color that I went with is called Moss, and let me just get it out. The packaging on here means a lot to me because look at the way they send this to you. Again, companies who choose good packaging, it speaks volumes. I've said this not just about them. I've said it about a lot of companies. If they take pride in their packaging, that means something to me. It means that they're going to have probably good support, possibly. In my experience, a lot of places have. So here's the moss color. Oh, that is so beautiful. This is a nice bag it comes in that you can keep and store your case in there if you'd like to when you're not using the case. But this is the moss case. And yes, let me go ahead and answer the question. Yes, Magsafe. So you don't have to worry about that. Some people might wonder about that. This is a very premium feeling leather. And it does have that soft touch material on the inside to protect against your phone. This 14 Pro Max has been in a case since day one, and it has been in this leather case from Apple. So we all know Apple's products are, priced fairly well, I should say, up on the upper food chain, I guess, if you think that's priced well. But this company, Andar, I've worked with them in the past about several different times. But this case right here, I was really intrigued by it because I really like the way it looks. I love the color of this case. Wanted to get something completely different. And so when they said, Jay, you can definitely check this out, I said, give me that moss. Green is just such a beautiful color. And you've got a little bit of branding right here from Andar. You've got the black buttons, a little bit of hint of black around the camera module. Unlike the Apple version, it doesn't really have that. And some people often wonder what that's for. That's for flash. So when you're taking photos with flash, you might get some wash if you don't have some black around the frame of the camera area. But a lot of places do it. A lot of places don't. But I can appreciate that. And it also gives a nice accent to the buttons on the case here. So you've got the volume rocker on this side. And again, this is MagSafe compatible. So I will show you that MagSafe compatible with this case. And then also I will go ahead and show you wireless charging as well, because it does wireless charge with this case on. Most cases that have MagSafe, it's gonna work. So on the bottom here, you've got the ports cut out here, and then it's obviously it's smooth and the cut out for there. And then let's pop it on the phone. Oof. This is so, oh man, this feels, it feels great. It feels like a premium leather case. And we all know Apple is known for, I like to buy the OEM products from some things. And I think in comparison to the Apple case, man, this is right on par. If not, I like the color options better. But this is beautiful, man. It feels good, fits snug. There is a matte tempered glass on here as well. And everything, as you can see, there's camera protectors on here. Everything lines up perfectly fine, even with things that are not Andar. So you have to look out for things like that. But again, that little branding, and just now that the phone is in the case, it just feels really good. Now I did say this was MagSafe. Look at how strong. That's some aftermarket cases that claim to be MagSafe. They don't have very strong magnets in them, but this one clearly has a strong magnet. Yeah, you want a strong magnet on there. You want to make sure you're getting a quality product, and for the price, you want it to work. And you should have to kind of yank it off like that when you're dealing with MagSafe. You really should. Now I've got other things. I've got a battery pack MagSafe. Let me see if I can get it real quick. This is a MagSafe. It's a little banged up, but it's MagSafe. See if I got some juice in here. Oh, and it's charging. There it is. So MagSafe products clearly work. Beautiful case. This is definitely one that I think is, this color, to be specific, is worthy to be considered. I'll say I can't tell you to buy it, but it's definitely worthy to be considered. Let's try out just regular wireless charging, and wireless charging obviously fires right up. There are some questions like that that people tend to ask, and like, hey man, does it work with wireless charging? I wanted to buy that, this, and the other. It definitely works. This case is not only looks good, but I can tell you, it feels good. So if you know what the Apple case feels like, the Andar case is right on point. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful case, and this color is called moss. So when you go to the website, I'll have it linked directly. Go to the website for you, but they do have cases for the 14 Pro as well, the 14 Plus, the 14, the 13 Pro Max, and the 13 Pro. Tons of cases there for all types of products. So be sure to hit those up if you decide to pick this up. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.